Feel the pulse of New York City as you embark on a life-changing TEFL course in the heart of Manhattan. Imagine studying in a historical building with breathtaking views of the iconic NYC skyline. Explore the city's endless attractions, the Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, Times Square, and more. Enjoy modern, fully equipped classrooms and authentic teaching sessions with EFL students from around the world. Choose from a variety of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels and homestays. Our course fees cover everything you need, with no hidden costs, including lifetime job assistance. Meet interesting people from all over the world and experience the rich culture and diversity of New York City. With 24-hour access to entertainment, restaurants, clubs, and bars, NYC is a fun place to be. Apply now and let the ITTT Training Center in New York City be your gateway to an exciting new career in EFL teaching.